Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today is just a quick video on how to register SURF4ALL. And before we start guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want it, and check other related videos on my channel too. Now let's get started. Alright, so you can register to SURF4ALL via the Globe One app. Once you successfully registered, you should be able to receive a text notification. You may also register by dialing *143 # and look for the SURF4ALL menu. For Postpaid, choose Surfing and then SURF4ALL. As an alternative, you can also register via text message by sending SS space 249 to 8080. You can check this at your convenience via the Globe One app. You can also dial *143 #, go to SURF4ALL and select Status, or text data bal and send to 8080. Note that only the group owner can view the remaining data allowance in the SURF4ALL promo. Members can view the status and the validity of the SURF4ALL offer by going to the Globe One app, dialing *143 # and go to SURF4ALL or text data bal and send to 8080. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope this helps, and please stay tuned to my channel for other SURF4ALL promos tutorials. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye!